Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have SmallRig. It's an all-in-one video kit. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. It has a pretty unique box opening to it. So that's what we get. You get an owner's manual, and then you get the rig itself. So pretty neat, very adjustable. So it kind of makes me go up and down. And then you get the two handles. Then you get the two handle holders that go on the side. And then a couple of little accessories. So basically how this goes is you have your SmallRig handle and you want to set so you're orientated the right way on everything. Okay, so this is how you connect the handle. You have these 4mm Allen pieces. So you just connect those, put that there, and then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be sliding that through that hole. Then this is kind of like your slide bracket that mounts in there. And then your Allen keys. Basically what you're doing is you're kind of like setting that, line that up. So that one's in. Drop that down here. And then you can adjust it however you want. So we're going to loosen this one up a little bit. And just until we get used to it, we're going to probably mount that right in the middle. And it's fully adjustable. So we'll just give that a quick tighten down. And then this part, we basically set that up. There's a couple different mounting positions. We're just going to use the one right in the middle. So we get used to it and figure out what works best for us. So that one's complete. So that's how we have that. And then I love how it has these quick mounting feet on top for microphones. So you can mount your mic on top of that. You have one here, and you have two more below there. So you can have like a light up here, or you can put your mic here, a light there. But you can put up to 4 items on this. Very cool. And I primarily got this because I have a iPhone that has a larger case on it. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to fit the case in this large case into this rig. So it fits nice. And then I have some mic accessories that I like to plug in. And then that hangs out nice. And then that is my little receiver for my wireless mic. And there's plenty of room to mount that nice and secure behind there. And it also has these wire clips, so I can mount that in there. And then I have some clips that I can mount some of these other accessories through. And then you have that sticking out there, where I can wrap it around, take some slack out of it, and then have that sitting down there in front. So lots of versatility that you can use on that. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.